Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's as epic as a superhero face-off. On the left, we have the Holy Stone mini drone, and on the right, we've got the DEERC drone D70. Let's dive in and see which one is worth your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk about the money, honey. The Holy Stone mini drone is priced at a wallet-friendly $36. Meanwhile, the DEERC drone D70 is coming in hot at $79. That's right, folks, the DEERC costs more than double. If you're ballin' on a budget, Holy Stone is your new BFF. But hey, let's see if DEERC can justify that extra dough. Next, we've got the fun factor. Holy Stone promises more fun than your average drone, with toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It's like a flying circus, perfect for kids and newbies. On the flip side, the DEERC drone D70 is also packing a party with intelligent app control, tap fly, voice control, gesture selfie, and more. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Plus, it's got a 1080p HD camera. So if you're an aspiring aerial photographer, DEERC might have you covered. Now, let's talk user-friendliness. Holy Stone is all about that easy-peasy life with altitude hold and headless mode. Even your grandma could fly this thing without breaking a sweat. DEERC, on the other hand, is also beginner-friendly with one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and emergency stop. Plus, it's got a detailed manual because who doesn't love some light reading? What's the point of a drone if it spends more time charging than flying? Holy Stone comes with 3 batteries, giving you a total flight time of 21 minutes. That's like 3 episodes of your favorite sitcom. DEERC didn't specify their flight time, but given its price, it better last longer than my last relationship. Just kidding. But seriously, let's hope it's substantial. Both drones claim to be portable, but Holy Stone is mini and ready to party anywhere. School, fishing trips, you name it. DEERC folds down to the size of your palm, making it super easy to carry. Heck, it might even fit in your pocket. But remember, folks, bigger isn't always better. Unless we're talking about pizza. When it comes to customer service, DEERC is flaunting 7*24H full-time after-sales service and a 1-year replacement for free. Holy Stone, you better step up your game. When we look at what customers are saying on Amazon, the Holy Stone mini drone is praised for its ease of use, affordability, and fun factor, making it a hit with beginners and even for entertaining pets. However, some users have noted issues with durability and outdoor performance. On the other hand, the DEERC drone D70 is lauded for its durability, extended flight time, and ease of use, although the camera quality and initial setup can be a bit of a challenge for some. Both drones have their strengths, with Holy Stone being more budget-friendly and DEERC offering more advanced features. So who's the winner? That depends on what you're looking for. If you're on a budget and just want some quick, easy fun, Holy Stone's got your back. But if you're ready to splurge a bit for more features and a camera, DEERC might be worth the investment. Drop us a comment and let us know which one you'd pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping, and may your wallets be ever in your favor. Product links are in the description.